Hey guys, I'm in my studio today with Sharinna, and we're doing some headshots, and I want to kind of show you guys a little behind the scenes part, and we're kind of doing something a little different and cool today. I'm using the Litepanels Gemini here, which I did use before. I actually did some quick shots with it and did an article on Adorama's Learning Center for that, but today I decided to use it for headshots. I'm hopefully going to do another video with this. We'll see where I'm going to play with the special effects because it does all kinds of cool stuff, but right now we're just using it. I mean, if you've seen me doing videos before, you know that I'm not usually a fan of LEDs, or I say you get what you pay for. In this case, yeah, this is not an inexpensive LED, but the light from it is beautiful. It's creamy. It's also very accurate, which is key for headshots. You want to get nice skin tone for this. So I basically have the Gemini here, and we were producing what actually was a really nice shot. It was kind of a harder light, you know, the Gemini being maybe like 2.5, 3 feet wide by about 1 foot tall. Giving good shape to the face, but for a headshot we wanted it to be a little gentler. So I threw a 4-foot scrim jib in front with the silk. I'm also bouncing it off a white card that's right there in front of her. Really simple setup. I have my Canon camera here with the 85mm lens. I'm tethered into Capture One as always. And yeah, we'll just shoot some and show you what we're getting. So for headshots, you want to get like a variety, right? So don't be afraid to shoot a lot of pictures. It's digital, you know, and we can shoot as many as we like. Good. Perfect like that. Nice. That's nice, good. You want to do it in bursts. You're looking for a great expression, moving the body around a little bit, and also I'm watching little things like hair going crazy and stuff like that. Good, good, good. Good. That's it. Very nice. Oh, right there, good, good. That's ready. Ready. Chin out, chin, chin, chin. You want to be weary with somebody who has hair like Sharinna's, that she keeps her chin out, because if she doesn't, then she's going to hide behind it too much. And nobody wants to hide behind their hair.
And it's...
She got the hairspray out.
Hairspray
Yeah, nice and simple. So we were talking about this before. You can choose to use a makeup artist for headshots, but a lot of times if you do your makeup decently, you should just kind of do it yourself, because you want to be able to reproduce it for casting directors and such. So if you can do your makeup well, you know, it's easy enough to do in the headshots. What is important though is we don't want to overly retouch these, so you want to make sure they're as perfect as possible out of camera. People want to know what you really look like, you know. A headshot to get you a bunch of castings and then no jobs because you don't look like the picture is the worst thing in the world. Also, we chose to do a nice clean white background, but we decided to mix it up a little bit. I just have the curtains back there, and all I did was just balance the light to the curtains. It's as simple as that. I'm shooting at 125 at, what am I shooting at? 100 ISO, 2.8, 125 to give us a nice shallow depth of field. Normally with headshots I would shoot more closed down if I was just shooting against the background, but here I don't want the curtains too sharp, so. Good. And of course I am on a tripod, but I've got my head loose, you can probably see that. So that's good. Ooh. Oh, that was like a triple shot. There we go, nice. Yeah, the eyebrow always gets it. Do like a lean in with the eyebrow.
Lean in with the eyebrow?
A little bit of a lean in with it, yeah, there we go. That's it, good. Mix it up a little bit, yeah. The eyebrow gets the bookings, so Sharinna knows that. She's done this long enough
Eyebrow is the thing, it's my signature move.
Yeah, so don't try to steal that. That's Sharinna's signature move. Okay, looks good. Good. Cool. Simple as that. We're going to shoot about 1.5 gazillion pictures just to make sure we get it enough, right? Because we want variety, right? This is the beauty of it, digital, right? It's not like you're getting a ton of headshots printed and then you have to use the same ones constantly. She could be changing them online, sending them out in emails, putting them on her webpage, Facebook, etc. So, you know, you want to get a variety. Instagram.
The gram.
That's right. I've heard of that.
Yeah,
so it's pretty
you?
cool. Yeah,
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, I'm going to get on there pretty soon. So speaking of that, I'll put Sharinna's info in the description so you guys can follow her. Make sure you do. And subscribe here, guys. Follow me on Facebook to see more cool stuff. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. What's that?
That is going to be the shot.